Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Neeraj Kumar. I am working as a senior consultant in medicine department, Kailash Hospital, Dehradun. Today we will discuss on diabetes. Now the question arises, what are the causes of diabetes? So diabetes is a disorder that is caused by some risk factor. The first of all risk factor is the family history. The person who have a positive family history means either of the parents of the subject is diabetic, then the patient is having a high risk for developing the diabetes. Second cause or risk factor for developing diabetes is the overweight. Overweight can be due to overeating or unhealthy lifestyle, that is poor exercise habit or poor exercise pattern. So these are the some risk factors. Beside this, increased blood pressure, hypertension, dyslipidemia means increased blood cholesterol. These are the some risk factor or causes for development of diabetes. Now what is diabetes? Diabetes is a disease or disorder in which the blood sugar level is high or raised either due to lack of insulin, means insulin production is low or poor, or either the production of insulin is okay but it is not working properly to the target cell. So we call it type 1 diabetes when it is lack of insulin or low insulin, or when the insulin production is proper, it is not working properly to the target cell, we call it type 2 diabetes. Now the question arises, how can we diagnose the diabetes, or how can we label a person to be diabetic? So there are some simple symptoms. By asking some simple question, we can diagnose the diabetes in a person or subject or in a patient. So what are the symptoms for diabetes? The symptoms of diabetes are: number 1, increased thirst; number 2, increased hunger and frequent urination. Beside this, loss of weight, fatigue, poor wound healing, frequent urine infection. These are the some symptoms of the diabetes. Along with these symptoms of the diabetes, if on testing the blood sugar, if fasting blood sugar is more than or equal to 126 mg per deciliter, and PP sugar, we call it postprandial blood sugar, that is done after 2 hours after breakfast, that comes to be more than or equal to 200 mg per deciliter, and one test, that is glycosylated hemoglobin, that comes to be 6.5, equal to 6.5 or more than 6.5, then we label that subject or person to be diabetic. So these are the some simple things about the diabetes we can know. Now the question arises, what is the treatment for diabetes? So in discussing the treatment of the diabetes, first of all we have to go for lifestyle modification. Now what is lifestyle modification? In lifestyle modification, there are simple 3 things. One is the healthy eating, number 2 is the exercise, third thing is the medication. Now medication is divided into 2 categories. Number 1 is the oral pills and number 2 insulin. Depending on the type of diabetes, we give the treatment. If it is type 1 diabetes, then we only go for insulin, because as already discussed, type 1 diabetes is caused by the low or lack of insulin production. So insulin is the only treatment for type 1 diabetes. And in type 2 diabetes, we go for first of all oral medication, which act on different type of cells, indirectly acting on the beta cells and help in release of insulin, that help in control of blood sugar. And if it is not controlled by the oral medication, then we go for insulin in the treatment of type 2 diabetes. So these are the some points to learn about the diabetes and to know about the diabetes. Thanks.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.